Ka Rotary Orchard rangkat kajinya Trailang, berkakasios Autonomous District Council, Meklia Farmers Empowerment Commission, Rotary Club of Shillong, District Horticulture Office, berkakur Kharbuli. Kaliyo wantung hadu sanspa kitan rais upo kasi, haayom kesiar kabadan has orang kam. Ha kanigas lawan manonlang uba penyat singsim, CEM ke KHDC, Umanas Chaudhary ubadiru Menteri Barim ke Sarkar Jela, rangkat kiwipat kinoyalam ke Rotary Club, kikana school, kinoyalam shnong berkipat ba. UCEM ulang bekas orang kam kolong ka shnong ke bapakatam, bantungi kijing tung ki babunjai. Baleng ba kaniga jing tungi kini kitan rai ding sopo kasi, kolong ka jing sedang. Banana siya kemat ang sa tungru, siya kiwipat ki jaka, lembah kajian Trailang bat kiwipat ki kanhun. UCEM ulai jing muru eka Rotary, baka deru ban le AA ban te lakam, ya kijing jabo jong ki kiwa, kam tam ya kuwa ngot, bat kuwa kan, ki badai kiwa badan hakate ka shnong.
Namar kum personally yang shimet ngalak dan hang ni po seorang kam Morgan constituency for almost 10 years. Dia ngalak rung ngalak mi bah kishnong kibaret kibahe kicaka bapher ngilap ketika shnong ke constituency ke babiang bah balong favorable bah ke climate, let's say for farming. Ladang ngilek fruit farming, lani agriculture farming, whatever. Lani what ini livestock. But recently we just inaugurated this one livestock from veterinary hospital here in Sorinkam to help these farmers around. Te nakaliang jungi ngi sutu ba kibabun hi ki nong nong hani constituency jungi ki de ki badang kershan yala de dakarep. Te kei ka ba penlong yang shimet ban yo mensem ban long encourage motivated hadin ba menshim snem na shakhot hapo Delhi fikir mau iba solia haka International Wine Expo ha Delhi but ngi kendu ya babun ba ki embassies na ki we ki ri akan mau ngi kendu French ambassador but haka taka ji kendu ka jungi hadin ba naka Government of Meghalaya Farmers Commission ki la pen iya kini ki wine niki unso wine ki ba lashna de ki entrepreneurs ki jongi nang ni po Meghalaya but khamtam ya so lang akan mau uni uso phasi wild apple but so yom but akan mau sa to French ambassador I really like ni wild apple wine mah na po Meghalaya te kani ka penkendit lada ki brio na ki pat kiri kisutho ya ka jing long terbang ya ka jaka jumi bagila ban permi ya kini fruit wines dekat nu kan long ka jingerap na kamtagi nong shos nong kinong rap na dangila ban hikai yaki ban peni kalenti yaki de nomor takadaw masin fu ni ba solia nga hajingmut jang asyong bitong ngin ya bi shakmat ngin le kani bat longkat balong ngin sedang nomor ondala sedang kiwe kin sanang ya ban yebut de kata ka ba penlong ini ba ngin yo penekren be ikong ayom kser Kharbuli ibadan ya kini kecaka kebahe bat masro ban aku play kerpang i lok jung i ba kenjai dan syong studian kam tam i kpa jung iru ngai i hantai i ba kruwar kuleshi pun i ba kruwar de shi perlok shi men sem ha ba pa jung i te i dan lang kuleshi pun so komen men i mentak ngiru kunjo te ngangit skem ba kani ka jing stang jung i ban thung i kini kisan spa tali kitan rai din so pokasi kan datang ke jing sedang kan empat day ke jingkut nang ni khmat ngin saya sikiwi wiki cakap but kermen scam ba kat kum ka land holding system ke bangidon ngidon ki caka private land ngidon ki clan land kum jong i the mentah ni nang tangidon ki community land ki right land te bat ki caka jong ki hima te kum ki niru ngit persyang bani Trailang ba ka Farmers Commission Rotary Club ki bapun ba kilong baran land where we need to plant some trees, either fruit trees or any other trees. which will benefit in both ways. To uplift the livelihood of our people, and also for us to get a good environment. Kata kaba ni soba ngi don kam da kaba ngi thung dieng hajaka kaba mdon dien kaba selen ki klau kini ki lum tele sekan yarap ingi om tang bangin yo ajing mentoy na kaba ngi yo die ki so henry wat ru kajing mentoy yangi ya kal air kaba khoi bangin rim sim te khamtam ki khna school ki don ne na try kini sia ki dena Green Hills dai na no school. Oh, okay, Sorong Hub Secondary, but Kinesia Presbyterian. They accomplish board. They get scam gajing don jam ki schools children, students kan yarap shushu bapi la longkum ka practical class mentas ngi FUPE nongi thung dieng ni tai kan long che hikai pi ma. They get scam kan ni rupin bu haji mut khat jampi kum ki kena bapin kan mau ba pin sumar ya ka Mariam. Te khamtam ru mdai ban berat iki plastik kini kita sya kat chabalap kani kan pen snew hai ki wa ki jungi. For your information, Sir Manas, this Sorghum has 2 water bodies, which is very popular. On my right side, there's the Wa Umngot, and the other side we have the Wa Umken. So these water bodies really contributed a lot to the farmers all the way along to downstream. So actually we need to do something how to protect these water bodies also in future. So this is really my dream, my goal, that we should do something, because really people, they need in future also to preserve these water bodies, because for their livelihood and for this thing, environment and all. We had discussion with Kong Pat also regarding how to preserve these water bodies. So a lot we need to do from district council. Of course, we have very limited resources, but still we have to try to protect our water bodies here in Meghalaya. Te ngidon kam ruban yada kat pala yaki niki wa kijungi ki belong ke Jimentoy bangi yo bandi bat kiwe ki Jimentoy kam tami kinong rap.